When your dog refuses to eat, it can be a cause for concern. It may indicate an underlying health issue or a change in their appetite. It's essential to address the situation properly to ensure your dog receives proper nutrition. Before attempting any dietary changes, it's important to consult veterinarian to conduct a thorough examination of your dog to identify any underlying health problem. Dogs can be sensitive to their surroundings while eating. You should provide a quiet and calm feeding area that is free from any distractions. This environment can help your dog to feel more comfortable and focused on eating. Heating your dog's food slightly can release aromas that are more appealing to them. You can add low-sodium chicken broth in your dog's diet. It can add flavor and moisture to your dog's food, which making it more attractive for your furry friend. Mixing a small amount of wet dog food or canned food with the dry kibble can also enhance the taste and texture of the meal. Your dog will enjoy his meal. Fish can be a great substitute for ordinary dog food because of its nutritional properties, strong scent and soft nature. It is versatile and can be mixed with other soft foods to make it even more delicious. White rice is another great option for poorly dogs that many owners have been advised to feed them. The blandness of the rice helps to reduce any stomach churning. This carbohydrate-rich grains also provide energy to your dog. Sweet potatoes have more minerals than ordinary potatoes and have a stronger scent and distinct flavor. And they can be mashed and tend to be softer than normal potatoes. Your dog will enjoy his meal. Carrots are also another vegetable that is suitable for poorly dogs. They do have a scent and get softens after cooking. So you can mash it up to any other food and make it easier for your dog to eat. Pumpkin is also an excellent food for a sick dog, particularly if your dog is suffering from diarrhea. It helps to promote the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. Zesty Paws Probiotics for Dogs are chewable functional supplement that supports proper digestive function and the immune system. These chewable supplements contain 6 probiotics that support gut function and proper gut flora for support against occasional diarrhea, gas and bloating. So by adding these foods in your dog's diet, and by using this product your dog will get start to eat. But if your dog is not eating, and still refusing his food, then it's very important to consult with your veterinarian immediately.